Our Employee Resource Group core team members are the backbone of our ERGs and our culture at Fetch.
Our mission is really about building a community.
We try to promote different cultural heritage and also create visibility within our other coworkers here at Fetch. So this week we are in the Chicago office of Fetch and we're doing the ERG Summit.
Fetch has brought us together to be able to learn as much as we can about ways to incorporate all of our groups and inclusion into the company.
For us, inclusion means that everyone feels safe and comfortable to bring their full, authentic selves to work every single day. And these ERG groups help to elevate certain underrepresented groups to be able to have a shared community, amplified voice, and for us to be able to actually learn from them and ally with them.
This is our first ever ERG Summit starting today. We're starting with a welcome dinner and reception, and then our first day is all about seminars around employee engagement, strategic planning, and then the next day we will do a lot of professional development with all 7 core teams here.
The dinner last night at the ERG Summit was just amazing. I walked in the room and immediately everyone had wonderful conversations just about what we've all been working on and our ideas for this summit. This morning we actually had keynote speakers from Kraft Heinz and they were really amazing.
They talked about finding ways to really demand that diversity as a company in every aspect that we can, from doing events to recruiting and doing talent work, as well as just how we engage and show up for one another. We're also doing some workshops with Maceo, who is really helping us understand the stats and data behind a lot of the work that we do.
She was telling us that actually by the metrics, we are the best performing company she has ever worked with. And yet I could look around the room and see every single person was like, okay, but that's still just our baseline. How do we keep improving from there?
Once I found this channel where I could kind of connect with others that look like me, it was super motivating to come into work every day.
In my own life, I've seen a lot of different prejudices. To me, the more we learn about each other, the more we learn we're actually a lot more alike than we are different.
It honestly means the world to me that Fetch provides these ERGs and these resources for everyone within the company. It really makes Fetch an incredible place to work for, and I hope really others within the company get to experience that as well.